Winton School. I am Gabby. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 13th of February.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's phrase is Parahutihuti ana te haere,
which is te reo for they went flat out.
Kapai. On to the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 2.
Kapa Haka will be starting up on Tuesdays for the juniors and Thursdays for the seniors. Please meet Miss Osborn in the hall with your lunch.
It's been great to see you all wearing your potae. They are still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi, VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school, but Mr Wadsworth is still waiting for all of us to be wearing them.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay sharp, Winton School.